What is up, Tenken fam? The news cycle is moving at warp speed, and if you blink, you'll miss it. We've got the absolute latest, the most crucial updates that you need to know right now. From groundbreaking tech shifts to market-shaking moves, we're breaking it all down. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of everything that matters, because today, the future is happening fast. First up, get ready to dive deep into the electric vehicle arena where China is absolutely dominating. And we're talking about the companies that are not just keeping pace, but sprinting ahead. XPeng and Xiaomi are making massive waves, even outshining giants like Tesla in growth and, crucially, investor confidence. What does this mean for the future of mobility and investment? Next, we're staying in the electrifying world of Chinese innovation, but this time, we're zeroing in on a specific powerhouse. Xiaomi's EV breakout is more than just a headline. It's a high-growth play that's defining the revolution in China's electric vehicle sector. We'll explore how this tech titan is leveraging its strengths to carve out a significant piece of this booming market. Is this the ultimate high-growth opportunity you've been waiting for? Then, shifting gears slightly, but staying firmly in the tech innovation space, we've got exciting news brewing from OnePlus. Rumors are swirling about a brand new budget series, codenamed Turbo, that's reportedly gearing up to go head-to-head with a very familiar lineup, Xiaomi's Redmi Note series. We'll break down what this means for the competitive smartphone landscape and whether this new contender can disrupt the market. And finally, we're wrapping up with a look at the market pulse, specifically focusing on Xiaomi Corporation's significant presence and impact. We'll delve into the latest developments and what they signify for the broader industry. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button so you never miss an update. Let's get into it. China's EV market ignites. China's electric vehicle market is not just growing, it's exploding, and in 2025, the landscape is being dramatically reshaped by domestic players. While global attention often fixates on established titans, the real action, the explosive growth, and the surging investor confidence are increasingly found in companies like XPeng and Xiaomi. These Chinese automakers are not merely competing, they are outpacing even Tesla's rivals in key metrics that signal a seismic shift in the automotive industry. XPeng, known for its innovation in autonomous driving and smart electric vehicles, has been steadily building a reputation for cutting-edge technology and a user-centric approach. Their recent performance indicates a strong market reception, translating into significant gains in market share and, importantly, a robust boost in investor sentiment. Analysts are pointing to XPeng's strategic investments in research and development, particularly in areas like advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and intelligent cockpit features, as key differentiators. Simultaneously, Xiaomi, a giant in consumer electronics, has made a bold and impactful entry into the EV space. Leveraging its vast ecosystem of connected devices and its deep understanding of consumer electronics, Xiaomi's electric vehicle venture has quickly garnered attention not just for its ambitious product launches, but also for its aggressive market strategy. The company's ability to integrate its automotive offerings within its broader tech ecosystem presents a unique value proposition. This integration promises a more seamless and connected user experience, a factor that resonates strongly with today's tech-savvy consumers. Investor confidence in Xiaomi's automotive ambitions is palpable, with the company demonstrating a capacity to scale production and distribution efficiently, mirroring its success in other consumer electronics sectors. The combined growth trajectory of XPeng and Xiaomi, particularly when juxtaposed against the performance of other EV manufacturers, highlights a critical trend: the ascendancy of Chinese EV brands on the global stage. Their ability to innovate rapidly, adapt to local market demands, and secure substantial investor backing positions them as formidable forces. This dynamic indicates that the future of electric mobility will be heavily influenced, if not defined, by these emerging powerhouses, challenging established norms and setting new benchmarks for performance and market penetration. The implications for the global automotive industry are profound, suggesting a significant redistribution of market power and a reevaluation of competitive strategies worldwide. This rapid advancement is sparking intense discussion among industry watchers and investors alike, with many seeing this as a pivotal moment for global automotive manufacturing. The question on everyone's lips is, can these Chinese EV disruptors continue their meteoric rise and fundamentally alter the automotive landscape as we know it? But the story of Xiaomi's impact doesn't end there. Their EV breakout is a critical piece of China's electric vehicle revolution, and we're about to dive into the specifics of that game-changing strategy. Xiaomi's electric ambitions surge. Xiaomi's foray into the electric vehicle market is proving to be a masterclass in strategic execution and high-growth potential, positioning the company as a pivotal player in China's rapidly evolving electric vehicle revolution. This isn't just a side venture for the consumer electronics giant. It's a calculated expansion designed to capture a significant share of one of the world's most dynamic and rapidly growing automotive sectors. By leveraging its established brand recognition, extensive global supply chain, and deep expertise in consumer technology, Xiaomi has managed to accelerate its entry and make a substantial impact in a relatively short period. The company's approach is characterized by a keen understanding of market needs and a commitment to delivering value through integrated technology. Unlike traditional automakers, Xiaomi brings a unique perspective, focusing on the digital experience within the vehicle, seamlessly connecting it to its vast ecosystem of smart home devices and personal electronics. This creates a compelling proposition for consumers who are already embedded in the Xiaomi universe, offering a unified and intelligent mobility experience. Reports indicate a strong consumer response to Xiaomi's initial EV offerings, with pre-orders and sales figures exceeding expectations, signaling robust demand and market acceptance. This success is underpinned by aggressive pricing strategies and a focus on technological innovation, including advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and in-car infotainment systems. Furthermore, Xiaomi's manufacturing partnerships and its ability to scale production efficiently are crucial factors contributing to its competitive edge. Analysts are particularly impressed by the company's agility and its capacity to adapt quickly to market trends and consumer feedback, a trait often associated with successful tech companies rather than legacy auto manufacturers. The investment community has responded positively, viewing Xiaomi's EV division as a significant growth driver for the future, injecting substantial capital and enthusiasm into its automotive endeavors. This confidence is not unfounded, given Xiaomi's proven track record in disrupting multiple consumer markets through innovation and competitive pricing. The narrative surrounding Xiaomi's EV breakout is therefore one of technological prowess, strategic market penetration, and a clear vision for the future of connected mobility. It represents a significant challenge to established automotive players and underscores the transformative power of technology companies entering the automotive space, particularly in the burgeoning electric vehicle segment. The market buzz surrounding Xiaomi's electric vehicle strategy is undeniable, with industry experts closely watching its every move as it redefines consumer expectations in the automotive sector. The key question remains: can Xiaomi's tech-centric approach truly revolutionize the EV landscape and cement its position as a dominant force? And speaking of new contenders shaking up the market, we're turning our attention to another major player making waves with potential new product lines designed to compete directly with established budget champions. OnePlus Turbo, a budget challenger, emerges. Get ready for a potential shakeup in the budget smartphone arena, as whispers from the tech grapevine suggest that OnePlus is gearing up to launch a brand new series under the Turbo branding. This move is reportedly aimed squarely at challenging the dominance of Xiaomi's highly successful Redmi Note lineup, a segment known for offering impressive features at accessible price points. For context, the current entry-level Redmi Note models often start around the CNY 999 mark, roughly equivalent to $140 USD, making them incredibly popular among budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, OnePlus's current cheapest offering in China, the Ace 5 Racing, sits at a higher price point of CNY 1,799, approximately $252 USD. The introduction of a Turbo series could significantly bridge this gap, allowing OnePlus to tap into a much broader customer base and compete more effectively in the fiercely contested lower-end market segments. Teepster Smart Pikachu, a known source for mobile industry leaks, has indicated that this new lineup is being referred to as a Chinese letter series in China, a term that directly evokes the robust and reliable reputation of Xiaomi's Redmi Note series. This naming convention itself signals OnePlus's intent to position these new devices as direct rivals, aiming to capture market share from a segment where they currently have limited presence. The potential for these OnePlus Turbo devices to also make their way into the global market is another exciting prospect. Drawing parallels with how the Ace 5 was rebranded as the OnePlus 13R for international markets, it's highly probable that the Turbo series will receive different branding and specifications tailored for global consumers. Similar to the current $499 OnePlus 13R, this strategy would allow OnePlus to leverage its global brand recognition while catering to the specific demands of various regional markets. Beyond this potential new series, OnePlus is also expected to launch its flagship OnePlus 15 in China soon, with leaks already revealing details about its color options and storage configurations. Furthermore, the company is reportedly developing a next-generation compact flagship, the OnePlus 15T, indicating a busy and innovative period ahead for the brand. The strategic implications of a OnePlus Turbo series are significant, potentially diversifying OnePlus's portfolio and intensifying competition within the mid-range and budget smartphone categories. This strategic move by OnePlus to enter the budget segment is already generating considerable buzz, with consumers eager to see if the Turbo series can live up to its name and offer compelling value. The critical question is whether OnePlus can replicate the success of its premium offerings in the highly competitive budget market. And as we keep an eye on the ever-evolving smartphone market, we're also taking a moment to reflect on the broader corporate landscape and the significant presence of major tech players like Xiaomi Corporation. Xiaomi Corporation, a tech behemoth's market pulse. Xiaomi Corporation continues to be a dominant force across multiple technology sectors, with its recent activities and strategic positioning drawing significant attention from investors, industry analysts, and consumers alike. Published on 8/31/2025 at 10:08 p.m. EDT, the latest insights into Xiaomi's operations highlight its consistent ability to innovate and expand its market reach. As a multifaceted technology conglomerate, Xiaomi's influence extends far beyond its initial success in smartphones. The company has strategically diversified into a vast array of product categories, including smart home devices, wearables, laptops, and, notably, electric vehicles. This broad portfolio allows Xiaomi to create a comprehensive ecosystem that enhances user engagement and fosters brand loyalty. The company's performance in these diverse markets is closely monitored, as it often serves as an indicator of broader technological trends and consumer preferences. Analysts point to Xiaomi's robust research and development investments as a key driver of its sustained growth and competitive edge. The company consistently pushes the boundaries of innovation, aiming to integrate cutting-edge technology into products that are both accessible and high-performing. This approach has enabled Xiaomi to capture significant market share in various segments, often challenging established players with its aggressive pricing and feature-rich offerings. Investor sentiment towards Xiaomi remains largely positive, reflecting confidence in its long-term growth strategy and its ability to navigate the complexities of the global technology market. The company's financial results often showcase strong revenue growth and profitability, reinforcing its position as a leading technology firm. Furthermore, Xiaomi's expansion into new markets and its strategic partnerships are crucial elements of its global growth plan. The company's commitment to building a connected ecosystem, where all its devices can seamlessly interact, is a key differentiator that appeals to a growing segment of consumers seeking integrated technological solutions. The recent focus on electric vehicles, as highlighted in other updates, further demonstrates Xiaomi's ambitious vision and its willingness to enter and disrupt new industries. This diversification into the automotive sector, leveraging its expertise in software, hardware, and consumer electronics, is seen as a significant potential growth engine for the company. Xiaomi's ability to adapt to evolving market demands and consumer expectations, combined with its strong execution capabilities, positions it as a company to watch closely in the coming years. The market's attention is firmly fixed on Xiaomi Corporation, with its strategic moves in various sectors sparking widespread analysis and debate about its future trajectory. The key question is, how will Xiaomi's diversified approach and aggressive expansion strategies shape its long-term market dominance? And that wraps up our deep dive into today's most critical updates. We've covered some truly game-changing developments across multiple industries. And that's a wrap on the latest must-know updates. We saw XPeng and Xiaomi surging ahead in China's EV market, Xiaomi making a massive breakout in the electric vehicle revolution, OnePlus reportedly working on a new budget turbo series to challenge Xiaomi's Redmi Note, and a pulse check on the ever-influential Xiaomi Corporation. Don't miss out on any of the action. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and follow us on all social platforms for even more updates. We'll see you in the next one.